Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my Dreamview channel. Now I am going to tell you about Whirlpool 240 liters frost-free triple door refrigerator. First, we'll talk about the features. The key features are capacity 240 liters, good for families of 3 to 5 members. Compressor type, reciprocating compressor, standard type of compressor with easy maintenance. Defrosting type, frost-free auto refrigerator defrost to stop ice build type. Specifications. Generally in the box we get refrigerator, user manual and warranty card. Series Proton type triple door refrigerator type top freezer refrigerator. Capacity 240 liters. Warranty 1 year on refrigerator and 10 years on compressor. Coming to the cost price, 23,490 rupees only. To order this refrigerator, please find the link in the below description, and to get more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe my Dreamview channel. Do like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.